Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College. The session of today, it's amazing. We are going to describe about some part of this machine. As you see here, it is what we call the drilling machine. Drilling machine, it is a machine used to drill a hole in a workpiece. Let's start by part and what we do. The first part we are going to explain is what we call the base. As you see, the base, working table, which contains ice, column, and the drill head. This drill head, as you see, has many different parts, as you see. The first part it is what we call drill chuck. Drill chuck can hold a drill bit. Another part it is what we call the switch. You can start or stop this machine from pressing here. Another part it is what we call electrical motor. This electrical motor can provide the power to this drill chuck. Another part, as you see, it is what we call the power transmission system. This power transmission system contains pulley. This pulley is attached from motor. As you see, when this motor can rotate these pulleys, always this head to drive our drill chuck and drill bit for proper working. Another is what we call the hand can be used when we are drilling our circle in our workpiece. Another part it is this that we call the radio arm. This radio arm set this working table up and down according to the rough of this. Here we have a material and tool that we are going to use when we are drilling a hole in our workpiece. First it is called sheet metal head. Another it is what is lift. Another it is which is called tracker kit. Different Another is a punch used for settling our using this. After measuring, there is a center. We take a hammer, as you see. This punch helps us to make a centering. Then after centering our workpiece, you can adjust this clamp. Properly. Clamping properly our workpiece. After clamping, you have to switch the machine. Let's turn on this machine. After pressing, this handle until our workpiece in working condition. Breathe and rotate. When there is a friction, you can put this before making good work properly. As you see, they finished the two drilling our hole that we measure. So after done, you can switch off. So thank you for the session today. I think don't forget to like, subscribe.